Masters, your go-to destination for mastering personal finance and achieving financial freedom. Hi, I'm Eileen, your host for today's episode. I've spent years mastering the art of personal finance and wealth building, and I'm excited to share my insights with you. In today's video, we'll talk about financial freedom, the importance of building passive income streams. In the rhythm of 9 to 5, many of us dream of our life where our time isn't dictated by our paycheck. Imagine a world where your finances work for you, not the other way around. Join us as we pull back the curtain of that world, unveiling the mechanics and passive income streams. Get away for our genuine financial freedom. But before we dive into our video, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you never miss out our expert advice and money-saving tips. Now, let's get started. Are you ready to become money masters? Let's go!
Financial freedom, the importance of building passive income streams. Financial freedom is the aspiration of many, but achieved by few. It represents a state where one's assets and passive income streams can cover living expenses, allowing for a life devoid of monetary concerns and restraints. One of the most robust pathways to financial freedom is through the cultivation of passive income streams. Here's why. Decoupling time from money. Traditional income streams, like a 9 to 5 job, are directly tied to time. You work an hour, you get paid for an hour. However, passive income decouples this equation. Once established, these streams continue to generate revenue with minimal additional time or effort. Enhanced financial security. Relying on a single source of income can be risky. Economic downturns, company bankruptcies, and unexpected layoffs can jeopardize one's financial stability. Diversifying income through multiple passive sources provides a safety net. Reinvesting for compound growth. The money generated from passive income streams can be reinvested to create additional income sources. This compound effect can significantly accelerate wealth accumulation over time. Flexibility and work-life balance. Having passive income means you aren't tethered to a desk or specific location. This can provide flexibility in your daily life, allowing for more travel, the pursuit of passions, and spending time with loved ones. Early retirement possibilities. If passive income streams cover living expenses, the need to work becomes optional. This can pave the way for early retirement or even semi-retirement, where one can work on personal projects or part-time roles without financial pressure. 6. Encourages financial education. To build and maintain successful passive income streams, one often becomes well-versed in various financial topics, from investment strategies to tax optimization. This education can benefit all areas of personal finance. Legacy building. Established passive income streams can be passed down through generations, ensuring a financial foundation for loved ones. How to start building passive income streams. 1. Invest in the stock market. Dividend-paying stocks or ETFs can provide regular income. 2. Real estate. Rental properties can offer monthly cash flow. 2. For those without the capital for direct property ownership, REITs, real estate investment trusts, can be an alternative. 3. Write a book or create digital content. Royalties from books or income from online content like YouTube or courses can provide lasting revenue. 4. Peer-to-peer lending. Platforms like Lending Club or Prosper allow for earning interest by lending money to individuals. 5. Create a mobile app or software. If it becomes popular, this can be a significant source of income through advertisements or in-app purchases. Building passive income streams is a strategic move towards financial freedom. While the initial setup may require significant effort, research, or capital, the long-term benefits, both financially and in terms of quality of life, can be transformative. The pursuit of passive income is not just about money, it's about crafting a life on one's terms. 8. Leverage technology. In today's digital age, there are myriad opportunities to leverage technology for passive income. From affiliate marketing to automated dropshipping businesses, the online marketplace is a fertile ground for those willing to invest the time or capital. Subscription models. Creating a membership site, offering specialized content, or starting a subscription box service are all means by which recurring revenue can be generated. As long as the value is provided consistently, subscribers will continue to pay. Licensing ideas or patents. If you've invented a product or have a unique idea, you can license it to other companies. They'll take on the production and sales, and in return, you'll receive royalties. Automated businesses. Some businesses, once set up, require minimal daily involvement. Examples include vending machines or certain e-commerce models. The key is to ensure efficient systems and reliable personnel are in place. 12. Bonds and fixed deposits. While these might offer lower returns than other investments, they are generally safer and provide a consistent income stream. Invest in a business as a silent partner. If you have capital but not the time or expertise, consider investing in a promising startup or established business. Your stake in the business can earn you a share of the profits. Rent out your assets. This isn't limited to real estate. Assets like cameras, drones, or even your car can be rented out when not in use. Challenges in building passive income. While passive income offers many advantages, it's essential to be aware of potential challenges. 1. Initial time investment. Many passive income sources, like writing a book or setting up a business, require a significant initial time investment before any returns are seen. 2. Capital requirements. Some opportunities, like real estate, require substantial capital upfront. 3. Market volatility. Returns from investments, whether stocks or real estate, can be affected by market conditions. 4. Maintenance. Despite the term passive, some sources may require periodic attention or updates. Keys to success. 1. Educate yourself. Before diving into any investment or business opportunity, thoroughly research to understand the risks and potential returns. 2. Diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. 2. Spread your investments across different assets to mitigate risks. 3. Be patient. Passive income streams can take time to mature. 3. Stay committed and patient. 4. Seek expert advice. If unsure, consult with financial advisors, business experts, or mentors in the field you're exploring. Wrapping up. Achieving financial freedom through passive income is a journey, not a destination. It's a continuous process of learning, investing, and adapting. While challenges exist, the rewards, both monetary and in terms of lifestyle flexibility, make the pursuit worthwhile. With persistence and informed decisions, the dream of financial independence can become a reality. Decoupling time from money. One of the foundational principles behind financial freedom and independence is the idea of decoupling or detaching time from money. For many, the traditional model of earning involves trading hours for wages. Work an hour, earn for that hour. However, achieving a state where one's income is not directly tied to hours worked can lead to a significant shift in financial dynamics and lifestyle. Let's delve deeper into this concept. Understanding the traditional model. In most traditional jobs, compensation is directly linked to time. Hourly wages, direct payment for each hour worked. Salaries, a fixed annual amount, typically divided by the number of workdays, regardless of the actual hours worked. In both models, if you don't work, you typically don't get paid, excluding benefits like paid time off. The limitations of time-dependent earning. 1. Finite resource. There are only 24 hours in a day. 1. Even if you worked every hour, there's a limit to your earning potential. 2. Burnout. Working excessive hours can lead to physical and mental exhaustion, compromising both health and quality of life. 3. Lack of flexibility. Being tied to a fixed schedule can impede work-life balance, limiting personal and family time. The power of decoupling. When you separate time from earnings. 1. Scalability. Your earning potential is not restricted by the number of hours in a day. 2. Flexibility. You gain the freedom to choose when and how you work. 3. Diversification. Multiple income streams can be cultivated, reducing reliance on a single source. 4. Growth potential. As these passive or decoupled sources are often investments or businesses, they can appreciate or grow over time. Methods to decouple time from money. 1. Investments. Stocks, bonds, and mutual funds can generate dividends, interest, or appreciation. 2. Real estate. Rental properties can provide a steady cash flow without daily active involvement. 3. Digital products. Selling e-books, online courses, or software. 3. Once created, these can be sold an infinite number of times without additional time investment. 4. Automated businesses. Businesses that can run largely without your day-to-day involvement, thanks to systems, automation, or delegation. 5. Royalties, from patents, books, music, or other intellectual properties. 6. Affiliate marketing, earning commissions from promoting other people's products or services.
Thank you for joining us in this enlightening journey through the world of finance and the secret of money masters. We hope you found this video both informative and thought-provoking. If you want to dive deeper into the world of financial mastery and take control of your financial future, remember to subscribe our channel here. And you can find more informative videos here. Thank you again for watching. Remember, financial mastery is a journey, and every step you take brings you closer to your goals. So, take action, stay curious, and never stop learning. Until next time, my name is Aileen, signing off. Wishing you financial success and prosperity. See you in the next video.